share with you my chicken curry recipe, and it's a very quick recipe and very modified recipe according to the taste of our family. I experimented a lot with different kinds of masalas and different combinations of masalas, but this is the combination my family likes the most. So to make this recipe, these are the ingredients we need. I have here boneless, skinless chicken, and it's about 2 pounds of chicken that I have diced in small cubes. I have here the paste of ginger, garlic, and some onion, a medium-sized onion, and some red peppers, which I have blended in the blender. And I have here coriander and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder mixed together. And I have here 1 teaspoon of degi mirch, or paprika in other words. It's just for the color, it's not hot, so degi mirch is for the color, as we all know. And I have some turmeric, some salt, and some kasuri methi, and some heavy whipping cream. And you know, if people are watching in India, they can use simple malai in their home. And here we don't get malai on our milk, so we have to use heavy whipping cream for our recipe. So, and next ingredient we need here is Shahi Paneer Masala. This is a standard MDH Shahi Paneer Masala. Now you can see I'm not using chicken curry masala for this. I tried many combinations, experimented with many kinds of masala for the chicken curry. It just gives a very distinct flavor and very distinct taste. And we need some avocado oil I'm using today. You can use ghee or any other oil. So I have a heated pan here. And actually it's a Dutch oven pan, and I usually cook chicken in this because it holds up the heat for a long time, and I keep it on the low heat, and it cooks really nicely in a slow heat, and chicken gets all the flavors that we need in chicken. So here I'm going to use 1 big spoon of avocado oil or any oil of your choice. In this heated oil, I'm going to add ginger, garlic, onion, pepper paste. So we're going to cook this or toast this or roast this for a few minutes until all the water is evaporated in the onions. Pepper masala is nicely toasted and roasted, and you can see oil is started to come out of the masala. So at this point I'm going to add the chicken. So chicken can be nicely coated with onion and garlic and ginger, and it can give really good flavors. So I'm going to cook the chicken for a few minutes like this until all the flavors are infused in the chicken. So once all the masala is coated, you can keep the heat on a medium high for a few minutes and then turn it to the medium low for another few minutes. So now you can see the outer layer of the chicken is somewhat cooked. It's not fully cooked, it's half cooked, rarely cooked. So that tells me that some masala has been infused in the chicken and it's a little bit cooked with the masala. At this point, I'm going to add my coriander and cumin powder, and I'm going to add half of my degi mirch, and then just give it a good stir. 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. And 1 teaspoon of Shahi Paneer Masala. Give it a nice stir again. And then doing all this, keep the heat really low. And you can see the chicken is nicely coated with all the masalas. And at this point, I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 standard cups. This is my mug, and it contains 2 standard cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add a little bit water and to take the remaining cream out and add it. So I'm going to add about this much water, a little bit water to thin it out. And at this point, I'm going to cover and cook until the chicken is done. So now the chicken seems like again done. It's 3/4 done. It's not fully done yet, and then this is the time you need to watch out that you don't overcook the chicken. And you can see that it's done, but still it's not fully done. So at this point, I'm going to add some kasuri methi to add the flavor. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. And cook it for a few more minutes until the chicken is completely done. Cover it and cook it. So chicken has been cooking for some time and seems like it's just done, you can see. And I'm going to add the remaining degi mirch at this point and give it a nice stir and turn off the heat. So you get a really nice flavors. And you can serve the curry like this with rice and or naans or anything you wish. And to further enhance the presentation or garnishing, I'm going to add some bell peppers. It's really a personal choice, you don't have to add it, and some cilantro. So after adding the bell peppers and some cilantro, you can cover it for a few minutes and then serve it. So friends, chicken curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, roti, naan, anything you wish. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.